Hello everyone, this is Jules. Welcome to my channel Flavors of Jules. Today I am sharing a simple and traditional milk rice recipe along with a side dish called Lunu Miris to welcome the month of February. I am making milk rice using basmati rice. You need very few ingredients to make this, but the flavor turns out really good. For 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. Here in India, this rice to water ratio works this way. If you are making milk rice for the first time, do check the instructions on your rice packet. I am using packet coconut milk and this one is quite thick. You will need about 1 cup of thick coconut milk, but you can adjust it per your taste. If you add more coconut milk, the texture becomes creamier. This is how I like my milk rice, not dry. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Let the rice cook fully, just like you normally cook rice. Then add the salted coconut milk, give a good mix, keep the flame on low and cook for about 5 minutes. Stir in between so rice doesn't stick from the bottom. This texture is perfect. Turn off the stove and let the rice rest for some time. Now, let's make Lunu Miris. It's basically onion with red chilies. For this recipe, we need shallots or red onions, dried red chilies, salt and Maldive fish. My mom bought this for me during our last trip to Sri Lanka last year. Lunu Miris tastes best when made using a mortar and pestle or grinding stone. I don't have either, so I'm using a grinder. Add everything and pulse it quickly. Don't grind it too much because that will release too much water from onions. I know my mom and most Sri Lankans might be surprised seeing this Lunu Miris, but this is my style and trust me, it turned out really good. Squeeze a little lime or lemon and mix it well. Milk rice is something we usually make on special days, and it always feels warm and comforting. Back in Sri Lanka, my mom makes milk rice on every Poya day to offer for Buddha Puja, and I follow the same tradition here in my home in India. The first milk rice plate for the month was inspired by home foodies Hashiyata. Starting the month with this warm, comforting dish really makes me feel blessed. I also have ambuldial fish that my mom made and gave me in a freezer safe box. Even after 1 month, it still stays really good. I fried some onion as well to garnish the milk rice. This is my first time doing a voiceover for food content, so I would really love to know what you think. Please leave a comment and let me know how I can improve. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all a happy, healthy February. ඔබ සැමට සතුට පිරි නිරෝගීමත් පෙබ්‍රවාරි මාසයක් වේවා. Bye!